Good day guys, Bing here. Today we are going to model these. We are going to use generic model. Okay, so it will be a two-level family. So like a column, or what do we call this? Like a arch opening. Okay, so let's start. It looks similar to that one, but yeah, we're going to do it differently. So I did tried. So this will be it. So this is individual. So this is one family, and they can you can use joint geometry to make them connect them together, and then they are parametric. Okay, so let's start. First, we're going to use create a generic model, two-level based. Okay, so first let's go to front view. So we need to create a width parameter. So dimension, and okay, so equal, and another dimension. And let's add a width parameter. So let's use instance parameter. Okay, so the next step is we're going to place two reference plane, so one on each side, and add a dimension to them. So and then let's call this select these two dimensions. Let's call this R1. So this will be the radius of those columns. Okay, so let's use instance as well. And let me think. Okay, so and also we will need so if you look at this, there's a little thickness on the top there. So add a horizontal reference plane. So this let's call it th thickness. Okay, so instance as well. Maybe I'll change to 200, 100, 100. Okay, so then we will need create this arch. So we need to let me think how to do it. Okay, so we need to. So we are going to use a revolve. So basically, this will be the axis line, and then a shape something like this, and then with an arc. We will need another reference plane, and this is for the center mark of that arc. But we will need to create a parameter for this one, and this will let's call this, what do we call this? Call this I'm not sure what we call it. Maybe call it y, because okay, so instance, and this y is controlled by a formula which is half of the width minus this. Okay, so we want this one equal this one, so we can place a quarter. What do we call it? Just arc. Okay, so now let's go to family types. So y equals w divided by 2 minus r1. Apply. Okay, so now we can create a revolve. So revolve. So first we need set our plan. So it will be counted front. So we're going to use center, front, back. Okay, and then draw an axis line. So which just need to place onto this reference plane. Just let's make sure this line is on this reference plane. So let's use a line to lock. So the length of this line doesn't matter. Okay, so now we need a boundary line. So we're going to use pick line and take this block. So we're going to pick this level, pick this reference plane, pick this reference plane and pick this reference plane, and then we need to pick this level as well. So trim tr and this one. Okay, so now here we need to create an arc. So we're going to use center ends arc. So from center is here, so ends this and this. Now we can trim here, and so for here, so we will need to, let me think, we probably just need to pick this reference line, reference plane. So everything's done. Let's double check type VV, just tick this automatic sketch dimensions. So everything's fine. This is for the length of this axis line, which doesn't change anything, so that doesn't matter. This 0, so let's just get rid of this. So we need to turn on the center mark, okay, and then just align AL, pick this reference plane, pick this and lock. So all good. So now we can finish this, and let's have a look in 3D view. So this is okay, so this is one of the revolve we need. Then go back to front and select this one, type mirror, and pick this reference plane. So it will create another one on the other side, but we need two because we mirror from here. So same as copy, so you need to go edit revolve and constrain all these lines. So basically just remove all these zeros. So use AL, align, level, line, pick, lock, sorry, reference plane, this lock. So this one, let's lock this onto this reference plane. So also this center mark, all good. So this 0 is for the axis line. Let's this, and lock. This 0 is for this, all good. And this one is for this line. Okay, so all good. Oh, there's another one, level, lock. So now let's have a look. All good, finish. Okay, so we have another one. And then we just need to, let's go to 3D view, have a look. So see this, we can use join to just join them together. So let me change it to shade SD. So this, so it's perfect. So there's no line between them, right? So, and then we just need to cut some of this edge. So let's go to ceiling plan because we want to see this. So we're going to add some reference planes. Okay, so add some reference planes so we can constrain a void, create a void. So let's do a reference plane here, 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 and here. Okay, the dimension di from this to this, this to this, this to this, and this to this. So select them and apply the width to. Okay, so now I think, let me think. Hang on. Okay, so we need to cut away this bit. Maybe I'll do a screenshot. We need to cut, so from here, so okay, cut this, this, and also we need to cut this, right? And we just need to cut maybe part of this, so maybe you can just when you look at this, there's a little bit curve there, so we can do that as well. So maybe just do a void like this, and then here again, so do another void. So basically you can even connect here, so get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this, so to create a void, just one void, and then what's left will become the family we need. Okay, so so let's go back to Revit. So now we have all these, which is good. We just need another two reference plane, and add dimension equal and another dimension. So this let's create a parameter. Let's call it D. So it will be a depth of for this family. Let's D instance. Okay, and then depending on whether we need a arc, so but we can just do that in the sketch. So let's start this void. Okay, so it will be void extrusion. Yeah, so first rectangle from this corner to this corner and a lock. Okay, and then another one will be from here to here. So let's only lock these two because we are going to delete these two, and then add a star and arc, star and radius arc, and then do this. Okay, so and then another one, do this, and then select this one. We can create a radius, create this, select this one, create another radius, and then we can select these two. Let's create a radius. So we have radius 1, maybe this one's radius 2. Oh, hang on, do we have radius 2? No. Okay, so and double check, type VV, turn on the automatic sketch dimensions. There are 2 zeros here and also 2 here, so that's fine. So first let's get rid of these. So this reference plane, nothing to pick, so we need to turn on the center mark. Okay, AL again, and reference plane, this, so get rid of this 0, and then once again this, and lock. So now we can get rid of this. So this reference plane, this point, this reference plane, this point. So I think that should be enough. So let's finish this one. Okay, so of course the depths. So let's go to front view. So see, this is being placed down to the upper reference level. Go up, so it's not cutting anything. So we just need to drag this down. Okay, so you can just drag this down to here. Hang on, looks like we have some issue here, but that's fine. Let's cancel this. Maybe drag this down. Oh, it's the same. Anyway, so let's just do it again. So go down and unjoin element and then lock, and make sure this one's also locked onto this level. Okay, so both sides, so this end and this end. So let's have a look in 3D view. So I'm going to cut this. Okay, so it looks like we can cut this one, and I noticed that we can only cut one. We can't cut the other one. So okay, so that's fine. We can create another void, exactly the same void, and to cut the other one. So let's Control C and then paste in the same place. Okay, and of course we need to constrain this void. So edit extrusion. Let's go to ceiling plane again. So we just need to do the same thing. So align. So these 0 are very small. Let me just change the scale. So that's too much. Yeah, that's better. So let's do it again. So align, reference plane, center mark. This 0 is this reference plane, this line, this reference plane, this line, this reference plane, this point, this reference plane, this center mark, this reference plane, this line. Oh, sorry. Again. This and this, this and this. Oh, good. So there's no temporary dimensions. Now we can finish this one. Go to 3D view again. Oh, it automatically cut the other one. So this is it. So let's have a test. So if I go to so for the depth is this. So if I change this one, so it should. Oh, we have some issue here. Let's just try again. So radius, thickness, width. If I increase the width, okay, it works. So I think the depths, yeah. Try thickness. Okay, good. Radius 2. What's radius 2? Oh, radius 2 is for this one. So we probably need to increase this one. Oh, doesn't change anything. yeah, it's okay, it works, right? So see, R1 is for this. So if I change to 150, yeah, so become bigger. We've done this, everything, the depths. Not sure why. It works now. Okay, so I think this is it. So now what we can do is let's go to create a project. Okay, so let's go load this into the project and place it in here. So let's have a look in elevation. For example, go to south elevation. So this will automatically attach to two levels, so ground and level 1. So if we change the height of level 1, it will also change this family. Oh, hang on. So looks like we have some issue here. So one of the void is not constrained properly. So yeah, that's fine. Let's go back. Okay, so select one of the void. I think, I'm not sure. Yeah, so this one. So you can see when I drag this one, there's no warning, which means there's no constraint. So we just need to drag this back onto this level and lock. Do the same, this back onto the level, lock. Now load this back into the project, overwrite, and go to elevation. So we fixed that. Okay, so we fixed that. Let's go to 3D view and let's have a look. Again, let's try to change these dimensions, and also because we created these dimensions as an instance parameter, so we can probably just drag. So there are a lot of handle, so sometimes it's not good. So this change the radius of those columns. And then this will be the depths, this will be the width, and also so yeah, and this, okay, so we probably don't want this 1 2 3 4. So they are the reference plane we added for the void. So let's go to ceiling plan. So this one. So control select these reference planes, because we don't want to see them in the family in the project. Okay, so when you change this is reference to not a reference, so this will get rid of those handles. So load this back into project, overwrite, go to side plan, so there's no handle on there. So and I think so you can see when I try to adjust, sorry, I broke it. When I try to adjust the width, so it also change the radius of this one. But I don't think we should probably just keep the size of the sorry. Yeah, it's probably better to keep the size of the columns. So let's go back to the family. Go to family types. So this array R1. So let's tick this box. Lock. So let's try again. Okay, so go load this back, overwrite. Still doesn't work. Oh, I broke it again. So it looks like, yeah, it's very easy to break this family. I don't know why. Another option is, I think, instead of have this R1 as an instance parameter, so maybe we change this one to a type. So let's have a look. Okay, so load, overwrite, and try again. Okay, so now you can see, I think this is better. So keep the size of the column, so only change the width. So let's go to 3D view. Yeah, because they are instance parameter on reference planes, so we won't see those handles in 3D view. So only if we use reference line instead of reference plane, we can have those handles in 3D view. So, okay, so but we can still do it in elevation, right? Okay, so oops, I break it again. And then let's just go to side plan, or just AR array, and maybe just type 5. So we have 5 of these, and then so you can see there's a line between them because they are a separate family, but we can just use join geometry and then become one. Okay, so you can see all these curves they match perfectly, and if you change, of course this is a group, if you change one you change all. So for example, I'll change the depth, finish, and okay, so I think this is it. So let's just do some final flex R2. What's R2? Oh, R2 is this. So I'll make it flatter. So 2400 TH thickness on here. So increase this. Width is okay. This so I'm not going to change this one because if I change, it will change. We need to move the. That's fine. Let's just do it. 2400. That's fine. On drawing, finish. Okay, so go to side plan. We just need to move the second one. So because this is still an array, so if I move the second one, it will move the rest of this. I'll use SE snap endpoint. Yeah, all good. So let's go to 3D view again. There's a line between them again, so maybe we need to join them again. Doesn't work. Maybe this is because I didn't place the second one perfectly. I'll just move it away from this and click OK, and then MV SE snap endpoint, SE snap endpoint. Let's have a look again. Still a line between them. I don't know why. Maybe let's unjoin. Okay, so unjoin, and join again. It must be something not right. Anyway, so I'll just leave it as and I think that's it. Maybe I'll change one of the parameters so see what happens. Still okay, it looks like I broke it. Anyway, so this is it. I'll just create another one here. AR array for join, go 3D view. Why there's still a line between them? TL. Okay, I'll just leave it to you and see if you can fix it. So yeah, so this is it. Basically, if there's only one width, I think this will work. And here can be a little bit tricky because once we change the, so I'll show you why. Oops, sorry. Here. So I'll just copy one here and just place another one here, and then increase the width. So for example, I'll change this one to 36. AL align. Pick this and this. So okay, so you can see this, it changed this the radius of this arc, and then it also changed here. So this method, I don't think this method will work, will create perfect this transition. I think, but maybe we can instead of have this half circle, we can have a smaller radius here to match this one, and maybe have a flat part and with another smaller to match this radius, which means we can combine these two parts and become one. Okay, so that's possibility. But we will try that next time. Okay, so this is it. if you have any questions, please let me know. I will upload these families, this project file, and you can have a play. Okay, thank you. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.